Panasonic Aquarea heat pump systems bring warmth and comfort into homes. With Panasonic Service Plus, you'll never work alone again. Leave the maintenance of Panasonic Aquarea heat pumps to the manufacturer and make more sales instead of losing time on technical details. That's what Daniele Gaudio from Emifa, an experienced Italian heat pump installer, does. 85% of the units he sells are manufactured by Panasonic.
Panasonic Aquarea heat pumps are really efficient and work well. Our main task is to sell and install reliable heating and cooling systems for our customers. But sometimes it gets very busy, and we can't always handle unexpected repairs or help requests. That's where the Panasonic Service Plus package really helps us.
When a unit is connected to the internet, Panasonic is offering a unique remote maintenance function in real time. In case an unexpected problem occurs, the Panasonic service team will be informed directly. Should immediate assistance be required on the unit itself, Panasonic will send an experienced heating specialist to your side. At the same time, Panasonic detects faults much faster, and that optimizes the service life of your heat pump even further.
Service Plus is a great help in supporting our customers, as it enables us to react quickly to fulfill the needs of our clients. And this way, not only the customers, but also I myself have peace of mind. It really is an excellent package for us.
The Panasonic Aquarea Service Plus packages include various services to solve any issues immediately and much more. In this way, Panasonic ensures that you always get the most out of your heat pump without ever having to worry about possible breakdowns, incorrect settings, or other technical problems. Make the Panasonic Aquarea heat pumps of your clients even more powerful. We'll do the rest.
Panasonic.